In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your forms in Hubspot. Managing forms efficiently is a fundamental aspect of optimizing your business processes, ensuring you capture the right information from your prospects and clients. Let's get started on this straightforward task of navigating through the Hubspot interface to manage your forms more effectively. First, you'll want to start by directing your browser to the Hubspot homepage. This is your central hub for accessing all the tools and software HubSpot provides to help manage and grow your business. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll notice an option that says Log In. Go ahead and click on that to sign into your HubSpot account. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to do so in order to access the form management features. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home screen. From here, you have a plethora of options at your disposal, but today we're focusing on the marketing section. So you'll want to locate that marketing tab, which is generally situated along the top navigation bar. Clicking on marketing brings up a drop-down menu, offering you a range of marketing tools and options HubSpot provides for your business needs. In this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Forms. This is your gateway to creating, editing, and managing all the forms you've set up to connect with your clients and prospects. Click on Forms to enter the form area where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the Forms section, what you want to do next is click on the Manage tab. This tab leads you to a comprehensive interface where you can view all the forms you have created. It is an organized dashboard showing each form's details, performance, and any recent activity. This is incredibly useful because it allows you to keep track of how your forms are performing and make adjustments as needed. In this Manage section, you can click on an individual form to edit it, update fields, tweak the design, or even change the settings to better suit your current needs. Remember to save your changes as you make them to ensure they take effect. That's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've navigated through HubSpot to effectively manage your forms. With this newfound capability, you're better equipped to engage with your audience and collect the valuable data you need to drive your business forward. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to optimize your HubSpot experience.